Assalamu alaikum. Hello my dear learners. How are you all? Welcome to online class with me, Munmun Nahar, lecturer Department of ICT for Milestone College. Today's my topic is Global Village. So let's talk about Global Village. As we say that what Global Village, so directly one question comes to our mind, that what actually means? The answer that comes into our mind is that global village means a village where all villagers, that means people live together in such an environment. Everyone is near to each other. Everyone is equipped with modern technology. Everyone is happy. Everyone can hear each other's say very easily. They can meet every second. They can see each other every minute. They can express their feelings in a great way. They can fulfill their daily tasks and activities in an effective and efficient way. They can help each other very easily to solve their daily problems. And in short, they will feel that they are living in the hearts of each other. What is global village? The word considered as the single community linked by the telecommunication is known as the global village. The definition of global village is the idea that people are connected by easy travel, much media and electronic communications, and have become a single community. An example of the global village is all the combined societies throughout the world. Did you know that global village theory was proposed by Marshall McLuhan? So, who is Marshall McLuhan? Marshall McLuhan was a Canadian philosopher and professor, but could perhaps be best described as communication theorist, coined the term global village in 1964 to describe the phenomenon of world's culture shrinking and expanding at the same time to pervasive technological advances that allows instantaneous sharing of culture. Elements of global village. The major elements of establishing global village are first hardware, second software, third connectivity, and fourth data, and fifth awareness or human knowledge capacity. Hardware. In global village, for any kind of communication and exchange of information, at first suitable hardware is necessary. Here, hardware means computer along with its accessories, mobile phone, smartphone, audio-video recorder, satellite, radio, television, and information and communication technology related devices. Software. For establishing global village, software is equally necessary as that of hardware. Software includes different operating system, browsing software, communicating software, and programming language. Connectivity. The backbone of global village is secure for resource sharing, and for doing that, internet connectivity prerequisite through which different data and information can be reached to people. Safe information exchange is the basis of global village. For providing information, safely secure internet connectivity is essential. in this regard by using telecommunication, broadcasting and internet. Internet connections are provided. Data and information. Data is unsemantic or disorderly information. Data should be processed for usable information. For living in global village, different information is necessary which can be pursued from data through computer processing. In global village, data and information is exchanged free of cost or can be shared against money. Human knowledge or capacity. Human knowledge or capacity is one of the elements of global village. As global village is mainly information technology dependent, so human awareness and ability on information technology help its application. If no knowledge on the use of infrastructure of information and communication technology, then it is difficult to get good results from it. So, it can be concluded the acquiring of knowledge or its distribution on any subject depends on human knowledge or capacity on this technology. Advantages of global village. Create more opportunities, advancement in technology, competing operational environment. Communication can be established with any person of the world any moment. Distance is not connected, that means geographical distance decreased. Reduce management cost. Books may be read from any online library and education from noted educational institution can be attained sitting in one's own room. Business, job finding solution of many problems. Sitting in any part of the world through telemedicine system, any person can receive treatment service from well-known physician. Sitting in a room, money can be earned through online outsourcing. As a result, economic development takes place. Disadvantages of global village. Evolution of global village will raise conflicts between culture. Information is stolen and privacy of information is regulated through internet hacking. Much people can accept anything by reading without checking its source. Cause of fragmentation of culture. Lead to culture domination by one developed countries and possible created hybrid culture. The number of virtual friends increases than the real friends by spending much time on internet. As a result, separation may increase among people.